Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Bounce 2 and I'm gonna show you how to connect this watch to the Wi-Fi network. So if you want to connect your GARMIN Bounce to the Wi-Fi network, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the GARMIN Jr application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue and we can tap on GARMIN Jr to open the app. And in the app you will need to select the profile that is connected to your watch. So I'm gonna select mine. And in the profile page, tap on settings. And here find the option called Wi-Fi. And once you find it, tap on it. And right here we can save or add up to 7 networks, as you can see. So to add the network, tap on that network. The watch will start searching for the nearby networks available. And as you can see, we have a list right here. So select the network you would like to use. Tap on it, then enter the password. Give me a few seconds. And then you can tap on continue. And here we can select the boundary where the network is located. I don't have any boundaries set up on my watch, so I'm gonna select none. But if you have any boundaries and that network is within those boundaries, select the boundary, because it will help you save the battery life on the watch, because the watch won't be trying to connect to that network constantly, basically. So tap on connect, or continue rather, my bad. And now the network is saved, as you can see, and your watch should be connected to it if it's in vicinity of that network. You can also tap on this network right here, and here we can, for example, test connection. And connection successful, so the network should be working. You can also change the password, change the location, the boundary, and you can forget this network if you want to disconnect from it. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.